Hello and welcome to our video on the top 10 gigs on Fiverr to make money. If you're looking to make some extra cash or even start a freelancing career, Fiverr is a great platform to start with. Fiverr is a marketplace for freelancers to sell their services, or gigs, to clients from all over the world. So, without further ado, let's jump into the top 10 gigs on Fiverr to make money. Graphic design services. One of the most in-demand services on Fiverr is graphic design. From logo design to social media graphics, businesses are always in need of visually appealing content. If you have a creative eye and the skills to back it up, this gig could be perfect for you. Video editing services. As video content becomes more prevalent, video editing is also in high demand. Clients are looking for skilled editors who can help them create polished and professional videos. If you have experience with video editing software, this could be a great gig to offer on Fiverr. Writing and translation services. Writing and translation services are also popular on Fiverr. Clients are looking for content writers, copywriters, and translators who can help them create high-quality content in different languages. If you have excellent writing or translation skills, this could be the gig for you. Voiceover services. Voiceover work is another gig that is in high demand on Fiverr. Clients are looking for professional voice actors who can lend their voice to various projects like explainer videos, commercials, and even audiobooks. If you have a great speaking voice and good recording equipment, this could be a gig to consider. Social media management. Social media management is a gig that requires a combination of creativity and organizational skills. Clients are looking for social media managers who can help them create and implement effective social media strategies. If you're social media savvy and enjoy strategizing, this could be a great gig to offer. Website development. Website development is another high-demand service on Fiverr. Clients are looking for web developers who can help them create beautiful and functional websites. If you have experience with website development and design, this could be a great gig to offer. SEO services. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is a critical part of any online business. Clients are looking for SEO experts who can help them improve their website's visibility and ranking on search engines. If you have experience with SEO techniques and tools, this could be a gig to consider. Virtual assistant services. Virtual assistant services are also in high demand on Fiverr. Clients are looking for skilled assistants who can help them manage their daily tasks like email management, scheduling appointments, and data entry. If you have strong organizational skills and attention to detail, this could be a great gig to offer. Music composition. Music composition is another gig that is popular on Fiverr. Clients are looking for composers who can create original music for their projects like videos, commercials, and even podcasts. If you have a musical ear and experience with music software, this could be a gig to consider. Business consulting. Business consulting is a gig that requires expertise in a particular field like marketing, finance, or operations. Clients are looking for consultants who can help them improve their business and achieve their goals. If you have experience in a specific industry, this could be a gig to offer on Fiverr. And that's it for our video on the top 10 gigs on Fiverr to make money. We hope you found this video helpful in discovering some great opportunities to showcase your skills and earn some extra income on Fiverr. Remember, success on Fiverr requires hard work, dedication, and providing high-quality services to your clients. So, choose the gig that suits you best and start building your freelancing career on Fiverr. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on freelancing and online income opportunities. Thank you for watching.